In this episode, we are looking at the best 3D printer on the market for every price range.
Welcome to our channel, the only place to find the best products for buyers who want to save their time and stress of figuring out what to buy. Out of many products, we have tried our best to highlight both the merits and demerits of the products, and in the last, based on our observation, we have shown the best product that will not go worthless. What we consider for selecting a particular product are brand reputation, ease of use and flexibility, durability, price, as well as customer feedback. If you watch this video until its end, then it will be you who must feel that this video has contributed much on taking decision which product to buy, and ultimately this will lead you to pick the best one. Last but not the least, that we also want your hard-earned money to be used for the purchase of the best ranked and well-performed product.
FlashForge 3D Printer Creator Pro. You don't have to wait a long time to find the best 3D printer at an affordable price. Yes, I'm talking about FlashForge 3D Printer. Yes, it's brought to you by the famous and dependable brand FlashForge. It is made up of aluminum, metal, and PLA. It possesses almost all the convenient features of a typical 3D printer. It is compatible with multiple types of filaments like PLA, PLA color change, ABS Pro, PVA, PETG, TPU, flexible filament, wood-filled filament, ABS, Pearl, elastic, HIPS, etc. It also facilitates an attractive warranty package. Voxelab Aquila 3D Printer. This is probably one of the best 3D printers at an affordable price. Voxelab has branded it. It features silent printing and fast heating. It produces a printing sound that is less than 50 decibels. After the power comes on, it resumes printing. It avoids waste and saves time. It also facilitates various modifications and flexible required upgrades. You can also choose your favorite software. It is very easy to set up. It comes in partially assembled condition. That means there is a chance to learn about basic construction.
Halfway of our list, I really appreciate your patience with keenness to watch this video, and also expect that you will definitely watch this video until it ends. Check out the links in the video description to get other information on each product. watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section and hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest videos in the future.